Sunday to everyone and listening to Love Ada. I want to say a big happy Sunday. And what do I want to say? You see this child that have come out to speak about Cyberbully. Where are the parents of that child? Come now, let me talk. Because I know sometimes the parents are there, but maybe they also supported this. It cannot be only the teacher. The teacher must take permission from the parents for this to happen. But what am I saying? As a parent, you have to guide your child. You have to be after your child. As you know, there are parents that are not doing it right, but they want their children to do it right. I've seen a parent who is misbehaving, and yet is trying their best to make sure that their children are doing it right. But you know, the children learn more by what they see. And this is the reason why whatever you are doing in the front of your children, you have to be careful. Because tomorrow, they will bring it back to you. Whatever you are teaching them, make sure that thing you are teaching them is what you are doing. When your children see you fighting with their father, they see you fighting with your mom, definitely tomorrow, they will do the same. They will fight. You are teaching them how to fight. Even when you come out to tell them, what I'm doing with your daddy is not a good one, the children will fight tomorrow. They deal with what they see, not only what they hear. They look at you and learn. And this is why when you are into child's training, you watch your every move. You think of what you're doing. And that's the reason why we tell you it's very good for you to train up a child in the Lord. So that when the child grow, you will know the left and the right. When you don't train the child in the Lord, the child don't know the left and the right. Some people will come and tell me there are a lot of people who have been trained up in the Lord and yet they are misbehaving. My dear, we train them up first. You will not be the reason why they are down. But when you are the reason why they are down, you will not forgive yourself when you are not in the word. Some parents will train their children, their girl child, why getting married. They're already telling the child, no one should mistreat my child. No one should do this to my child. No one should do this. You didn't teach that child that in that place that child is going, that child needs to have patience. That child will go there to act the same way what you are saying or telling the child. In your own marriage, your own is old marriage. You want your child that is just getting married to start behaving the way you are behaving. God do. If you are the reason why your child's marriage is no longer existing today, go back and try to amend it, because you will give account of it. If you are the reason why that child is misbehaving or outside the streets, some parents will not like to work. These parents are after the child. They want to collect money from the child. They are exhausting from the children. And you see these children, a lot of children come out and say, I want to help my mom. I want to help my dad. You say the child that want to help the parents are still minor. Parents, what are we doing? What kind of children are we raising today? Is it the same children that our parents raised? The reason why I am crying out this is because I need a change. The way you train your child today matters a lot. I need a change. And I'm crying out for a change. And I believe that parents, those things that you are telling your children to do today, bring them out of them. Leave them to live their life. So that when they grow up, they will come back to take care of you.